In aviation, AI keeps millions safe, every single flight. In finance, AI moves trillions in seconds, predicting, protecting, powering global markets. On our roads, AI drives the future, detecting danger before it happens. In factories, AI never sleeps, optimizing, learning, perfecting every process. But in our hospitals, the places we trust with our lives, AI is barely used. Most digital tools gather dust. AI is everywhere, except where we need it most.
YouDiagnose, where every team, every process, and every outcome is shaped by passion, accountability, and relentless learning.
AI surrounds us, yet it's absent where it could make the greatest difference. At YouDiagnose, we're here to change that.
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 Change that. Change that.
Change that.
Change that.
Change that.